Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about Hikenture. This is a cutlery set. If you guys would like some more information on Hikenture cutlery set, just be sure to check my video description for more information. So this is the box that it comes in. It says Hikenture. Thanks for choosing Hikenture. Great for light travel and outdoor gears. This was actually given to my husband for a camping trip he had coming up, because it's just something that's great to like always have with you, especially if you're not going to be on the type of trip where you'll be ordering takeout or going to a restaurant. You're basically going to be living off the land, and whatever you packed with you, or if you go fishing, you'll be cooking whatever you caught, and you're obviously going to need a fork and knife. And this is a super compact one that fits right in your backpack, and you could reuse it over and over again. It's made really well. So the cutlery set is it comes with one utensil set and one nylon pouch. So this is the nylon pouch. It's very small and compact, which is perfect for camping, because you only have a certain amount of room in your backpack or whatever bag you're choosing to bring with you. Usually backpack is what you bring. And then it has this on the back, so you could attach it to something if need be. Easy to clean. And this is what it looks like. So the knife pulls out, this is good for like carving or anything else you need to do. If you're gonna like cook meat or something like that, you're definitely gonna need a knife with you to cook with. And then it has the spoon and the fork. And these are all, I needed like 2 hands to do it, but you could put them back. You could put them back in afterwards. See, the knife goes back in. And the fork can come off. You could use it like this. And then the spoon as well. And they're pretty sturdy feeling, so they're definitely good material. These are made well, and it's pretty inexpensive as well. And then you could just put them back together. Made for easy cleaning. And this actually, I'm not sure it's dishwasher safe, but we have washed it in the dishwasher once we got home, and it, everything turned out fine. I believe it's stainless steel. So everything kind of, see, the spoon can go back in, the same with the fork. Making it like super compact. And then of course like this can go back together too, but I need 2 hands to do it. But I just wanted to show you guys how compact and small it is, so it doesn't take up too much room in your bag. And of course this is something like super useful, for camping, for hiking, anything like that, where you're not going to be able to just get to a store and easily get a fork and knife, something you want to have on you for sure. And the same thing with the knife, you want to be able to cut your food, and sometimes a knife is good to have in handy, even like when you're setting up a tent or something like that. You always want to have that on you for like cutting something or whatever the case is. I'm still new at camping, so I just realized, I'm like, this is great to have, and it doesn't take up too much room, because you need room in your backpack for the sleeping bag and flashlight and other things that you plan on bringing with you. So guys, this is my video for Hikenture cutlery set. Something very useful. Comes with the utensil set and the nylon pouch. I hope that you guys found my video useful. If you did, please feel free to leave a comment and let me know. I appreciate it, guys, and have a great night.